is so beautiful, isn't it? So many colors everywhere.
Can we go inside now?
I want to see sharks and sea turtles.
Me too. Let's go.
This is gonna be amazing. Hoe praat dan wordt aan voor Messoïne de prijs. Fijn tijd.
Hello. 3 tickets, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Tom, stay close. It is crowded.
Hold our hands, please.
Yes, Mommy. I promise. Wow, we are under the water. Look at all the fish. Blue, yellow, red, like magic.
It is beautiful.
Look at these little fish. So cute. Hello, little fishy.
What is that?
A big shark.
David, are you scared?
Just surprised.
We are safe behind the glass.
Look up. Jellyfish. They are glowing.
Like floating lights.
Mommy, this fish is smiling at me.
That is a stingray.
Hello, Mr. Stingray.
Let's take a photo.
Come here, Tom.
Cheese. Cheese. Oh,
Cheese!
Daddy, look. It's like a rainbow. So colorful.
That is the coral reef. You wadis. Or
Look at the sea turtles. They are huge.
they can live for 100 years.
That is so long.
What is that sound?
The seal show. Seal show. Mommy, let's go. Wait a minute. I will miss it.
Tom, stay with us.
Just 1 minute. Seals, I made it. Look, he is waving. Now he will catch the ball.
Wow. On his nose.
Super jump!
That is so cool. Daddy? Wait. You are not Daddy. Mummy? Where are you?
Oh no, I am lost. Tom? Where is Tom?
Tom.
My son is lost. Wait,
Stay calm.
wait a minute. We need help. Our son is lost. His name is Tom.
Blue t-shirt.
Please use the loudspeaker.
Tom, please go to the main lobby. Your parents are waiting.
That is my name. I must be brave. Excuse me, I am lost.
You'll find it right down this hall, just past the big reef display.
At the turtle tank?
That's right.
Enjoy. Thank you. No stopping. I must find Mommy. Turn left. There. The lobby. I'm almost there.
Where is he?
He will come.
Mommy. Daddy! Ty!
Tom! Thank goodness.
I'm sorry. I was scared.
We were scared too.
Always stay close to us.
Do not run away alone.
I understand.
But you were brave.
You asked for help.
Thank you.
We are proud of you.
We love you.
I love you too. Yeah.
Let's go home.
Best day ever. Even the surprising part.
Every adventure teaches us something.
Together is the best way.